Welcome to Paris, France and the IKEA on Rue De Rivoli in Paris. Today we're going to do a walkthrough and give you some information on the IKEA in Paris, France. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to Paris, France. Just for context, we have a map here, and this is a central area in Paris, and I'll just circle this section right here. This is the IKEA on Rue De Rivoli that we're going to do a walkthrough and give you some information. The Rue De Rivoli is well known for this section right here, the Louvre. So it's just down, whatever, a few hundred meters from the IKEA. But also another big location, tour site near the IKEA is this section right here. This is Notre Dame. This is closed right now and it'll be open supposedly in December. Anyways, if you're in the area and you want to go take a look, it's just across the Seine River. I'll also circle this section right here. This is the Latin Quarter. This is one of my favorite areas to walk through, and this is where I've been living for the last few months. A great area to walk through for that old kind of Paris feel. And I'll circle this section right here. This is the Pompidou Center, well-known other tour sites. So these are all really close to the IKEA. So if you're at the IKEA or around one of these tour sites, you want to check out the IKEA. I'll also circle this section right here. This is 59 Rivoli. This is just a few meters down from the IKEA. And this is this famous artist squat that if you're into art and you want to go through this kind of museum slash gallery slash artist squat, it's right beside it. So, and I'll circle this section right here. This is well known. It's got a huge mall here. And if you need to pick up something or you want to do some shopping in Paris, also very close to the IKEA. And this section right here, this is Hemingway Corner. This is just a personal note. I like to have, if I'm having a little picnic on the Seine River, I like to kind of get out to this place. It's called Hemingway Corner, and this is where a lot of people under this nice big willow tree. I like to have my lunch or my baguette underneath. So if you're there or right beside this area, right on the Seine River, these are the two places. If it's a nice summer or spring or fall day, I like to kind of sit down here and have a baguette or a picnic or whatever I'm having and just watch the day go by. And I'll circle this section right here. This is the Metro, the Louvre Metro, right beside the IKEA. So let's get going on with the walk. We're gonna walk through IKEA. Here we go.
Chers clients, une petite fin, venez découvrir nos hot dogs à partir de 75 centimes seulement. Alors n'hésitez pas et rendez-vous au bistrot suédois situé avant les caisses. Toute l'équipe d'IKEA Décoration Rue De Rivoli vous souhaite un bon appétit et une excellente journée. Dear customers, if you are looking for a snack, you can discover our hot dogs starting from only 75 cents. Join us to the bistro for the show. Alors ça, je vais vous découvrir.
Fotografie.